Everybody, I just wanted to get a quick little update here on these drawing files when the kids are doing Criterion C. So you may have noticed or you may not have noticed that some of these are easy to dimension. So we talked about just forcing or asking the students to dimension just the overall dimensions of parts. Well, the problem comes into play when they use splining. You'll see I had a point here and I had a point here, I had a point on the hoof, and I had a very point on the top. Well, sometimes you might not have that. For example, in this body portion, this is all splined and these are all splined here. So for example, up in this antler system here, I try to dimension and there's no selecting endpoints or midpoints or anything other than these bottom here, and you'll see that this is a little lower, right? So how are they going to overall dimension this? So what we've kind of figured out, or what I figured out, was in the line here, you can use the line command in the drawing, and you can go pretty close to what you need to the outer borders. You click to the outer, and then you click. And I know it's not an exact science, but it's something that the kids can use. Press escape, and then I can do the other side and come up. And you can do this in the actual file if you would like, or tell them that they can do that. But that allows those lines to be dimensioned. And then again, if I do it to the top and bottom for the other dimension, this looks like the highest point here. You don't have to make them. I'm just making them ridiculously long here just so you guys can see where they're coming from. And then I can go into dimension just like normal. And now I have points that I can select to dimension and use overall dimensions for this drawing. So I hope this helps, and I hope it makes a little bit more sense. But you cannot dimension two splines. So if students have all splines, it's going to be really difficult. So that's the workaround for that. Hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, just holler.